2007, when I was 19, I was guided to Islam, alhamdulillah. And the day came that I needed to sit down with my mother and tell her, Mum, I'm a Muslim. The words that she said to me still pierce my ears to this day, because she looked me in my eye and she said, I would have rather you told me you were a prostitute. My mother would rather see her 19-year-old daughter on the streets in danger than be a Muslim. She saw the changes in me, because before I was Muslim, I was on stages with huge celebrities. They had it all. But when the lights went out, something was missing. And that's why I found Islam. So 17 years later, when I did get my job back in media on Islam Channel, my mother sent me a text message. She said to me, I'm watching you and you look beautiful, and I'm wearing this, fully covered. She said, I am so proud of you. She had come to realize that phobia means fear, and Islamophobia means fear of Islam.